After the show, I've realized that nothing feeds my soul more than helping people. I have this larger vision where I can help diabetics in a larger way, providing insulin to anyone in India who needs it. My mother says this, I don't know if I should say it or not, where after my marriage, my divorce, how much ever you live, just be happy now. Forget everything. The biggest taboo I wanted to break was diabetics having children.
Has diabetes shaped your career in some way?
Yeah. You know, people say ये तो रोती है, चिड़चिड़ करती है because of diabetes. Mood swings होते हैं, sugar high होगा, ये सच है. It's true.
Hello there, everyone. Today we are going to be talking about something that is very challenging, especially for a girl at a young age. It is diabetes. I'm type 1 diabetic since the age of 2, and growing up with it has been really tough emotionally as well as physically. And from childhood to puberty, it's been quite a journey. Joining me today is someone who understands because she's been through a very similar journey like me, and diagnosed at the age of 8. She knows exactly what it feels like. It is none other than Alfia Jafri. So firstly, hi Alfia and welcome on Catch Up with Kiara.
Hi, thank you for having me.
Super duper excited. So let's begin. So firstly, you were diagnosed at the age of 8 with diabetes, and you've spoken about it so openly, so proudly.
Correct.
Considering the society we live in, people are afraid of saying कि हाँ मैं diabetic हूँ. How was your experience? How did you get diagnosed, and what was it like?
So, I got diagnosed very young, and the little bit that I remember from that phase was that I had fallen sick and I was being treated for food poisoning, ironically.
My God.
Because people were like, what could it be? Just throwing up and all. What do you think with a child? And the awareness was not that much. No, my doctor तो said कुछ नहीं है, food poisoning है. अरे 1.5 महीने से किसको food poisoning होता है? I mean, such madness. And then, I don't blame anyone. My poor parents, they were also so stressed that why is she not becoming fine? They asked this same doctor that should we admit her? What do we do? नहीं कुछ नहीं, दवाइयाँ दे दो. That certain night that I was rushed to the hospital, thankfully he didn't answer. Otherwise he would have given me more dawaiyan. And I remember the only thing, so I had school the next day and my mom was like, what do you want? Why are you so low? What's happening? You're throwing up. And she's like, let me call for a donut for you. Donuts are my weakness.
Oh.
And she's like, let me call for one donut.
Yeah.
We had MOD right opposite our house. Let me call for a donut for you. MOD or something. And she's like, eat the donut. I ate the donut. And I didn't wake up.
Sugar must have.
How do you imagine that your 8-year-old child has diabetes? Means not in your wildest dreams. You can think something else.
That is it.
And in our house, na nazar and all is really, तो नजर लग जाती है, ये हो जाता है. So nobody has thought only कि
कुछ और हो सकता है.
And that donut has happened and we have gone to the hospital. Now what had happened, by the time I was being rushed, I had already started collapsing.
Oh my.
So my eyeballs had kind of like shifted. My head was in I don't know how to explain it, but like whatever I remember.
Hyperglycemia. No,
Yeah.
I know,
No, and also the size of my head was inflating.
My वैसे टक.
Yeah.
हाँ.
And that at the time it was like a miracle. We always went to different hospitals, but somehow we reached Nanavati that day, which was the only hospital I feel at the time that had the best juvenile diabetologist available at that time, Aspi Irani. I owe my life to that man. Really. I mean, I've not seen him in now almost 10 years, but I owe him my entire being. He saved my life. I wouldn't have survived otherwise. I was in the ICU for about quite a few nights, from what I've heard. I don't remember. Um, then there was a brief phase of sliding into coma and then coming back.
Right.
Um, but I don't remember any of this, very honestly. It's a very blurry phase. And then I just remember one day waking up and asking my mom that, what will happen now? Like, what has happened to me?
क्या है आगे अभी?
अब now कुछ हो गया है क्या मुझे?
Yeah.
Like, and then I feel like more than me, I never cried about my diabetes. It's become a joke on the show, but I never made it into a thing growing up because my mother cried a lot. A lot. She cried day in, day out. Because she used to find it so painful that her daughter had to inject herself. She couldn't live a certain way. One scratch. I used to love playing sports, basketball, football, everything.
Any tiny injury, it takes a lot of time to heal also.
No, in fact, it was ulta for me. My mom used to worry it won't heal. And I healed like this.
Oh.
I've healed like this. And that credit also, like I was telling you before, goes to my nanny. She has made me so strong mentally that she would tell me, tell yourself this will heal and it will heal. You see. And it actually worked. Today we talk about manifesting and putting things out there in the universe. But I've been taught all of this since I was a baby. कि वही होगा जो बोलोगी.
Right. Positivity and acceptance.
Yeah.
You were talking about your nanny. Can you tell us कि parents का कितना ज़रूरी होता है support? मेरे already personally, my parents I'm so happy and lucky to have the parents I have right now. They have supported me throughout from A to Z. There were people who lost faith in me. They thought I am going only, but ऐसा नहीं हुआ पर. But that support, you said your nanny was always there. Can you tell us कैसे support matter करता है?
I have a very strong support system. Be it my friends from school, not the first school I went to, but once I went to Billabong, I was never made to feel like something was wrong or off. Never. They took care of me. They knew if she's acting up, पक्का इसकी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है. Let it go.
अच्छा.
And my nanny. Of course, it was one big group growing up, which was my friends and nanny. They were one group. So literally Saturdays and Sundays used to be, we were all Bandra kids and this and that, all one lane away we stayed. Where we would all gather at my nanny's house and she would feed us and she would send us cycling in the morning and we would then go to McDonald's for breakfast. It used to be a whole thing. There was so much positivity in my life. And I'm talking about the fun aspect. These people added so much fun that not once until this show, it hit me that there is a flaw.
Oh, okay. I mean, okay, I got your point. But has diabetes shaped your career shaped your journey somewhere?
Yeah.
Can you tell us how?
I feel like, I don't know, I feel like diabetes has made me, people say, ये तो रोती है, चिड़चिड़ करती है because of diabetes.
Right.
Mood swings होते हैं, sugar high होगा, ये सच है. It's true. But if you can't work with me because, and I genuinely believe in this, because of a certain health issue, you don't work with me if you don't see talent in me or if I don't cater to what is required of me. But you don't want to work with me or you cannot work with me because of a certain thing, that doesn't affect you or that doesn't affect what I cater to, then that's just shallow of other people. I've never let that get to me. I'm very thick-skinned. And I've become like this after a lot of pain and troubles. I was not always so thick-skinned. I was not that girl who said, whatever happens, happens. It's your problem. I always thought it was all me.
Hmm.
I'm 25, I'll be 26
Hmm.
in Feb. And now I've come to a point where I'm like, jisko jo karna hai kar. You don't define me. Nothing defines me.
Hmm.
And work-wise, I started working at 16.
Wow.
Half the people didn't know I had diabetes.
My God.
I went from assisting on music. I was a production designer for 3 music videos at 16.
Hmm.
Because one thing was always there, that I had to be financially independent.
That is it.
Not because of any majboori or pressure, but that was just the family I was raised in. My mom's side of the family and dad's side of the family, we have more strong women than men.
Hmm.
There's not a single woman in either of our families who doesn't work. They're all business women,
Hmm.
doing great for themselves. My mom's a designer. My Masi's a cook. My other Masi's into clothes herself. My sister's into food again. My dad's side, my bua is a principal. My grandmother was a principal. So my bua also was a national level hockey player. So I come from that where you are conditioned to be independent, which is the best thing you can give
That is-
to anybody as a child, your girl or your boy.
That is
you know?
obviously.
And I started working so young. I mean, working behind the scenes is way harder. Let me tell you. Today, when I sit in front with my whole team, my heart goes out to them because I've been on that side. I've done casting for so many years. I've assisted so many casting directors that I cannot tell you the hard work that goes behind the scenes, because you're standing day in and day out. For me, I get ready and I show up. I'm living the best life now.
Hmm.
But when I was doing that also, nothing stopped me. My diabetes never stopped me.
That is good. You were saying, independent. Another thing, you moved, from Mumbai to LA, and
Guts.
जब we diabetics have the thing that being a diabetic, especially, we want to get independent, but that fear of hypoglycemia, that worry is there everywhere. मैं खुद, if I'm sleeping alone in my room, I'm like every probably 3-4 hours I might set an alarm that I hope I'm not going into a hypo. When you moved from Mumbai to LA, living alone, did you face any?
That's
डर?
what I was trying to explain to the. So let me tell you very honestly.
हाँ.
I've not met any type 1 diabetics in my life until the show came out.
Wow.
I know it's a little off track, but I have been getting on video calls with mothers who are DMing me that their children have seen the show. Young 8-9-year-old boys, 12-year-old girls and boys who have gotten in touch with me. My heart goes out to the parents first. Very honestly. Second, when I speak to them, what I didn't have in the initial years was the thing where you're not alone.
Yeah.
I mean, you have your parents, you have friends, you have nani, everything. But you want someone who gets what you're going through on the same level. And that's what I'm trying to do now in a very small capacity, where I'm trying to just let these kids know that I'm there. I'm not posting about them. I'm not trying to make a thing out of it.
Because obviously मैं खुद के लिए करी, because I mean I completely understand your side, because I have had people reach out to me saying that if my son is diabetic, can you help me? Or even I help, I don't make a fuss about it that I'm helping a diabetic, because back then there was not much awareness. People would look down to you कि you're diabetic, but right now I understand. तो मैं help खुशी से करती हूँ, and I'm so happy that how you're also in the same way helping such people. It's really
Actually
nice.
have this vision. After the show, I've realized that nothing feeds my soul more than helping people.
Yeah, that's really nice.
And I've been doing things that I will not say on camera. I'll tell you off camera. But because then in our Muslims now we say that when you give from one hand,
Hmm.
your other hand shouldn't get to know.
Oh.
That's a hadithina thing where whatever you do,
Hmm.
it cannot become a, you know what I'm saying?
Hmm.
Like, I get very awkward to talk about these things, but I have this larger vision that in the next few years I make so much money, that I can start something where I can help diabetics in a larger way
Hmm.
in terms of providing insulin to anyone in India who
Right.
needs it. Healthcare. I want to be able to help
Hmm.
people on a larger scale with mental health and diabetes, both.
Hmm.
You know? So coming back to your question about LA, so that's what I was trying to tell them, that I can't share. Because imagine, I feel it's unfair that at 3 a.m., if my sugars have dropped, which they do, I go into hypo every second night. And imagine I'm like moving around, shaking, putting the lights on. Other girls also have to work, you know what I'm saying? Which they didn't understand. I was trying to do a nicer thing all over,
Huh.
like overall. And it was like, array, but I don't bother now.
Huh. But when you face, like, suppose hypo, what is like the first thing you will go and grab at 3 o'clock at night? क्या मैं लूंगी हाथ में?
You know, it's actually a very sad
Huh?
feeling,
Huh?
hypo, for me.
I mean, it's for everyone.
No, like I'll tell you, because I don't go into hypo normal. Like, people go into hypo fair. First of all, my body wakes me up
Right.
automatically.
ये अभी hypo में मैं जा चुकी हूँ.
हाँ.
हाँ.
I can't walk when I'm in hypo.
Oh God.
My legs shake. So literally, I drag myself to the kitchen.
Hmm.
Even though now, like, I've made a basket in my room with chocolates and those glucovita and you know, snacks and juices and everything. Everything is there. But I still drag myself to that kitchen because no amount of fan and AC helps me. I need to stand in front of the freezer.
My God.
It's that bad with me.
You plus start, I think, sweating also. Do you face
so
sweating?
yeah, I'm drenched.
हाँ. पूरा पसीना पसीना, shivering. I go through like a lot of shivering and I'm like, oh God, चालू
I
हो गया.
cry. Every time I go into hypo, I cry. And trust me, people, and I'm showing this side to anybody, where people can tell you it gets easier.
It never
But
does.
It really doesn't.
It's just the bar goes like this always. It's a tough journey. People don't understand, you know. जब भी हम किसी को सपोज बोलते हैं कि मेरे को डायबिटीज़ है, तो ऐसे मिसकंसेप्शंस की बारिश, you can say. One will, you know, suggest that you lose your weight, your diabetes will go. You work out more, your diabetes will go. ये दवाई खा.
Someone has said, don't eat. What did they tell me that
मेरे को
day?
तो बोलते पोटैटो मत खाओ.
हाँ, चावल आलू आप सब खाती हो. I said, हाँ, कैसे? I said, जैसे खाते हैं. I'm also very बदतमीज ना, like that. So
Irritated होता है ऐसे लोग.
No, I'm very बदतमीज.
नहीं, ऐसे लोगों के साथ होना भी चाहिए.
I'm like, हाँ तो. Someone commented, what a hypocrite says she has diabetes and then sits and has donut while talking to her father on the show.
हे भगवान.
I know why I was having that donut.
Even I got you. I might be having it. But you know, we can eat everything.
We
हमको
are on
insulin
insulin. We adjust our insulin according to.
Exactly.
And you know, Aspi Rani had told me this, in fact, that it's a lifestyle. If you adapt to it, you will live the best life because you're looking after your health from such a young age. People look after in their old age.
Late
He was so
realization.
positive, you know, that it helped. But I went for this camp. The only time I went for some diabetic camp. And I don't even know where it was, somewhere. Lonavala, Khandala, I don't know. Me, my parents, we went. We came back depressed.
My God.
I mean, there was a doctor who sat there and said, while giving a lecture, that I can't remember exactly to quote him, but something like, something on the lines of diabetes causes depression and you can be suicidal. I'm saying in short,
Huh.
but he had a long lecture on,
Huh.
and I'm like, bro, we're children here. We're all children here. This should have been separate for parents, if whatever. But my parents also got so scared. First lecture we attended, came back.
Oh God.
It was supposed to be a 2-day thing. My mother said, come, we'll go. We checked into a nice hotel. We did 3 days of time pass
हाँ.
and we came back.
Oh God. But you know, कितना बुरा लगता है कि लोगों, India being the capital of diabetes, people are not aware. I'll tell you a most hilarious incident. So I used this CGM sensor. So I had gone to Vaishno Devi and there were like 3 educated men pulled my hand and asked, why have you put a bottle cap on your arm? I'm not joking. Why have you put a bottle cap on your arm? मैंने बोला भाई डायबिटीज़ है. दूसरा भी मेरे को आदमी वही पूछ रहा है, हाँ मतलब आपको शुगर है? मैंने बोला नहीं, मेरे को डायबिटीज़ है. नहीं शुगर ही है. मैंने बोला भाई मेरे को डायबिटीज़ है, मेरे को पता है मुझे क्या होता है. डायबिटीज़, शुगर, you can't define it like that. I've got such crazy experiences.
But I'm really sorry. Because, you know, when I hear you, I feel like I've still had it easier.
Is it? So have you gone through any such weird comments? No? I'm glad because it's very, as you said, you also, you know, like not बदतमीज, but you know कि नहीं, मेरे को पता है क्या
Like,
है मेरा body.
The closest thing I went through was now with the show.
हाँ.
Before that, I never realized. You know how you're talking? I was given a very normal life. And that is why when I hear people...
I was also having a normal
No,
life, but
like,
it's
you know
the
how people have,
बोलना नहीं
have-
चाहिए society.
have caused trauma to you.
My God.
I was so lucky that I'm sure this must have happened around me. But people didn't let it come to me.
Which is good, in a way.
But like, I can't victimize myself because I feel like I've still had it easier.
But that is good. I've had like really crazy experience. एक तो मेरे को पिंच करके एक बंदा मेरे साथ झगड़ रहा है और ब्लडी डायबिटिक एंड ऑल दैट. स्कूल में मैं 10 साल की लड़की, मैंने बोलूँ that time I was like, I felt very bad that he's, you know, putting me as a diabetic. Like diabetes is a part of मेरी एक स्टोरी का हिस्सा है, मेरी आइडेंटिटी नहीं है, जो लोग भूल जाते हैं, like you bloody diabetic and such crazy, you know, things they have labeled. I laugh on it now because अभी उससे ज़्यादा मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती. But it's just so sad that our society is not that educated, even though India being the, you know, capital of diabetes. But अभी ऐसा है हमारा society. But like,
No, I feel like, you know what? We are harder on ourselves as diabetics, yeah. I feel like we should all, because like I told you after the show, I have spoken to quite a few diabetics, and you know what I've realized? There is a pattern where we're harder on ourselves unnecessarily. We should give ourselves a break because there is already enough our bodies fighting. And diabetes is like white ant. I was taught that at a very young age. Anyways, you're getting screwed only.
कुछ नया नहीं है.
Some way or the other. So I feel like the least we can do is give ourselves that break and cut us some slack that there's enough.
Right.
My mother says this. I don't know if I should say it or no. Where after my marriage, my divorce, everything, my mother said, how much ever you live, just be happy now. Forget everything. Because, you know, I thought the biggest taboo I wanted to break was diabetics having children.
Oh, I know. Heard too much about it.
I've also gotten taunts in my life that what if your child has diabetes? And that is in my head now. It scares me because I know what I'm going through. And something that is a part of my soul and body eventually. Will I want my child to go through that? What I'm going through?
Obviously not. Even though we showcase that, yeah, we are doing completely fine, there's a part of us which we don't show it to people. We are just like, I'm doing completely fine, I'm living a happy life with diabetes. But you know, there is a part we have that, you know, we are not, we are खुश दिखते हैं but अंदर से इतने खुश नहीं होते, because taking 4 injections, in your case 5, it's not easy. It's painful, not just physically but also mentally.
That's what now. Like I've also received a lot of
Huh.
shit. I just don't talk about it. Where people have said. So I remember someone came up to me before I was getting married
Huh.
and asked me, "Did you tell your husband and his family that you have diabetes?" I said, "Of course. Are you crazy?" First thing I told him when he met me was this, because it was an arranged marriage. And they were like, "Why would you do that?" I was like, "Why wouldn't I? Are you crazy?" I was so offended. I was so mad. I cannot even begin to tell you. But this is how the world is.
It's hurtful, but for us, we have to live with it. Another thing, actually, I want to ask you is taking insulin in open. You get those weird stares कि भाई ये क्या कर रही है, ये क्या ले
I've
रही
been
है.
told I'm on drugs.
I've also had that.
I've been told I'm on
like वो
drugs.
एक look आता है, ये कुछ तो कर रही है. मैंने बोला,
I to take it very openly.
even I'm not like मैं लूंगी भाई, तुमको जो करना है करो, मेरे को फर्क नहीं पड़ता. I'm always like that. But you know that look, one person is like, dude, what are you doing? Like मैं इंसुलिन ले रही हूँ. दुखता है क्या? बोला हाँ दुखता है, हाँ दुखता है, बहुत दुखता है.
Yeah, a lot of people ask, it doesn't hurt or what?
And
So
someone
many
like,
times.
no, don't take it in front of me.
I can't
like
watch.
That.
Oh
मैं बोला भाई
yeah.
तुम मुंडी हिलाओ, मेरे को लेने दो मेरा इंजेक्शन. Even I'm like, dude, you move your face there, you tilt your head there. I am taking my insulin the way I want because I am going through it and I know how it feels. These people, like, you know, I'll tell you, I used to go to the washroom before to take the insulin, like, because
Yeah,
in
same.
restaurants and all. One day my parents were like, screw it, you take the insulin open, jisko dekhna hai dekho. And you know, that, you know, helped me. That statement of theirs that you take it in open. I was like, oh, because there are many parents I have seen. I'd gone to my doc, and there was this very young girl. तूने मीठा खाया, तुझे डायबिटीज हुआ है, अभी तेरे को इंजेक्शन लेना पड़ेगा. And how the parent was, I felt so bad. And my mom was sitting next to me and she was like, how can certain parents be, they feel कि डायबिटीज होता है, तुम्हारी गलती है, तुमने मीठा ज़्यादा खाया है या तुमने राइस ज़्यादा खाया है.
Would you like to tell them how people get diabetes? Because I think you should.
I mean, our pancreas are not functioning. It's like as simple as that. But when you tell them that our pancreas, अच्छा तो तुम्हें तभी भी लोग बोलते हैं तो डायबिटीज है, तुम्हें शुगर है, नहीं तुमने यही किया है, तुमने वही किया. They don't know the simple difference between type 1 and type 2 diabetes, which is traumatic because they keep annoying us. I'm pretty sure you must have been irritated with that as well. अच्छा, like they just feel diabetes is one thing. Under that, what comes, they never see that. Like मेरे pancreas function नहीं करते. Like people who still irritate me, I'm gonna tell them मेरे pancreas function नहीं करते, मेरे को injection लेना ही पड़ता है. And in type 2 your pancreas are functioning, but you know you still have to take insulin sometimes and some medicines. For me, I'm just insulin dependent and yeah, मैं लेती हूँ 4 injection खुशी से. I'm always like that.
Yeah, but that is absolutely right, and I feel like
करो भाई जो करना है
करो. I feel
You know,
like
when you're young,
more power to all of us. And just through your podcast, no, I just want every diabetic child, adult, grown up, one or two, to know that they're not alone.
Right.
I'm always there. I reply to every person on my DM, especially if it comes from a certain place. I'm always there. I'm there to chat every day. Like,
Very sweet.
trust me, because I had loving people. But I've realized over time now that most of them don't. People are bullied because of diabetes. I was also bullied, but not because of diabetes. I've also faced bullying. I've also faced isolation. I've also seen a lot of shit. But I've started therapy, and it's the best thing that could happen to me.
How is therapy? Can you tell us how does therapy?
See, I feel like every diabetic, I could be completely wrong and I could completely be bashed for this, but I feel like every diabetic should go for therapy from a very young age. Because what happens, first of all, we're experiencing so many emotions due to our sugars, plus the kind of you feel so drained with the amount of times you prick yourself, you inject yourself, you eat a certain way. I don't mean by a diet, but there are times when your sugar's low, you're not hungry, but you have to stuff your mouth with,
My God.
and especially that sugar water I had for so many years, wo that chammach mein, that sound of that sugar water being made
My
means
God.
I cannot tell you how much that used to trouble me. Now, if I look at sugar water, it makes me,
Puke.
yeah,
Pukish. And
I can't.
I've irritated my mom. Mom, I'm tired of Glucon-D. I was like, क्या खाऊं? मेरी sugar देखो 60 है, 50 है. I annoy my mom because sometimes I'm just tired of eating and eating this chocolate, that ये खाओ, वो खाओ, ये खाओ. It's tiring. And sometimes if you feel pukish also in low sugar, and if you puke, your sugar again goes down. You go into another episode which people are not aware of. कि low sugar के
It
बाद ये
is
भी
so bloody
problem
hard
है.
that people don't realize. And I'm going to say this because I've taken 2 steps back after the show, after the part where people said that I'm playing the victim card and
Oh, I have got this thing. I also
I
got
am
this thing. You're
using
the
my
victim.
health card and this and that. And I'll tell you what, it's bloody hard.
आओ तुम
Nobody's
जियो.
here to be a victim. Anyhow, I'll just get angry. So I'm just saying that I feel like every diabetic should get help because we're experiencing so many things on a daily basis. It's like you get up 24/7, you're on a roller coaster ride.
That is it's a unique roller coaster.
You don't know what you're feeling, why you're feeling, what you're going through, why you're going through. I feel like a therapist is somebody who points at it, saying, "This is it."
Right.
And trust me, I used to struggle with sleep
Oh.
for years. I couldn't sleep for more than 4 or 5 hours. Since years. Until therapy. When she starts talking, it's like some Dadi Ma giving me kahani. I start dozing off. I'm like, And now I sleep like a baby. Because I feel like I don't know what it is about therapy. I've still not cracked it. First 2 sessions, so she only heard me. Now every day, she speaks about something.
Oh.
And my therapist is great. I love my therapist. Anybody who wants therapy, I will send you my therapist's number. She's not expensive. I don't have some therapist taking 10,000 an hour, this, that, or 5,000. She's very affordable. And it is something that you should invest on rather than investing somewhere else. Invest on your health first. And I really think it's the best thing that I've... Really. I could cry at the drop of a hat otherwise.
But as a creator now, reality show star, there are those fellow diabetics. What do you want to tell that one important thing? Those diabetics, something to the diabetics and probably the society as well.
To hell with the society. No, yeah, it's not that. I just feel like I wish society could cut some slack. Not to be rude to hell and all is a bit extreme. I'm unwell today, guys. I have food poisoning. Forgive me. But I just feel like cut us some slack now. Like, don't have so many opinions. We live in a society and an age where everybody thinks they're a doctor.
वो तो है.
इतना चावल मत खाओ, इतना ये मत करो, एक्सरसाइज किया करो. अरे, do you know what our bodies go through? You don't. So I feel like that slack needs to be cut from society. Literally. We're not playing any victim card. Just because diabetes has been made to look like such a... Diabetes है, क्या है, शक्कर ही तो नहीं खाना. I remember someone has told me, डायबिटीज ही तो है, इतना नाटक करती है जैसे कैंसर हो.
आओ जियो हमारी जिंदगी.
I'm like, bro, my body is being eaten up every day of my life. I am aging faster than a normal person, a normal 25-year-old. My body's age is defined by my diabetes. You
Right.
don't know. Every day, the fear, every few months, that fear that my kidneys might. Are they working? Are they not working? What is happening? Why is my mouth drying up? Is something wrong? Oh my god, are my sugars high? I'm somebody who's a fighter. I have fought. I have not admitted myself with 700 of sugar also. And I have not admitted myself when one is your sugar is 30, 40, 50. Mine has been so low that the machine has not been able to detect it. I have said I will fix this also at home. I'm not saying that's the right thing to do. Everybody go to the hospital if you need to. I'm just saying that it's hard.
Right. Obviously.
My baseline is that my point is it's hard. It's very hard. And it makes me angry that I have to explain it.
There's no enough understanding.
There's not enough education about. Imagine if I put up a post about the fact that I have diabetes. Someone has made a meme on me that I have reposted, which said the amount of times I said diabetes on the show, and it was captioned, "If a clown had a face."
My God.
And I reposted it. That you take your 5 minutes of fame through me, no problem. Go for it.
I think education as well as somewhere humanity is lacking. What do-
Empathy is lacking in this world. And to my fellow diabetics, girls like us are always there, at least me. I mean, I'm a message and a call away. I would give you my number right now, but creepy boys will start messaging and calling. Just kidding. But genuinely, like, I feel like, I don't know, like, this topic is something I've never really spoken like this about. I am so quick with my interviews. I'm so to the point. I'm a writer's daughter. I've never felt more speechless. I don't know. Like, that's what I was telling you. We should cut ourselves some slack.
Well, I'm also so happy that I myself have seen very few diabetics talk about it so openly, so proudly, and the way you've embraced, I'm type 1 diabetic, I don't care. जो लोगों को बोलना है बोलो, फर्क नहीं पड़ता. And I feel so happy seeing that there are some girls especially who are talking about it proudly, and I'm so happy to have you here and talk to you about such an amazing conversation. Thank you so much, Alfia. I really enjoyed it.
Thank you so much. Sorry, I was a little down, guys. I got food poisoning this morning.